Hello, friends. Good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. Free USDT. Start mining USDT with Trust Wallet app. I have the full confidence to let you know that you can earn USDT. You can have free USDT. What is USDT? USDT is a cryptocurrency. It's a stable cryptocurrency. It is equivalent in price and value with the US dollar. So whenever you are mining USD in your wallet. Okay, so by so doing, you'll be able to be among those that are making money online on daily basis. But before I go further with this, you just need to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasogeni Stock. So what is it? What is it that we are doing in Lasogeni Stock? This channel is created so that I can share with you my ideas on online investment platform. That is I do review on them and I give you my recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for your own financial decision. So I'm giving you financial education here and not financial advice. For that reason, you're expected to do your own due diligence before you jump into any of the content being shared here. Okay, if you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, please kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Set it to all notification for you to be continually aware of the next update. And if after you have watched this video you found it that is very meaningful to you, if truly it adds value to you, then please don't hesitate to like and share with your friends and family. All right, once again, what we are considering today is free USDT. Start mining USDT with Trust Wallet app. So let's go straight to the business of the day. The first thing that you need to have is you need to have this app called Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet whereby you can keep your crypto assets. So this is how it looks like. So just go to Google Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you are using and download it, and make sure you keep all your login details very safe, because you are responsible for the security of your wallet. Keep the seed phrase, the mnemonics, the private key. So make sure that they are well kept. Okay, so then you click on it after you have opened it. So it can ask for other verification just to increase the security of your account. Okay, so what you just need to do is that you need to deposit smart chain coin. It will be used for the transaction fee. Smart chain will be used for transaction fee, and also you need to deposit Binance smart chain USDT BEP20. So how can you do that? Just come up here, click on this logo here, and you are going to turn some coins on. The coins that you are going to turn on is the smart chain. You turn it on, smart chain and USDT BEP20. USDT BEP20, you turn it on. You can search for it so that you can turn it on. And after you have done that, you are going to have 00 all here. So you need to deposit smart chain. Just deposit like $3 to $5 worth of smart chain, because it will be used for your transaction fee, transaction charge anytime you are withdrawing. And also you deposit enough Binance BEP20 USDT, because you will be earning 2% of whatever you have deposited in your Binance in your BEP20 USDT. You will be earning 2% of it, and the minimum deposit you can do is 4 USDT, $4. Okay, so let's do some calculation. Let's assume you deposit like 20,000 USDT. Okay, I've done that before. 20,000 USDT, and you are earning 2% on daily basis, and for 30 days that means you'll be earning 12,000. You'll be earning 12,000 USDT extra. And the amazing thing about this is that you can withdraw your capital anytime. This is not even a capital, because you are in control of your money. You are in control of your crypto assets. You are only the one that have the access to your crypto asset in your Trust Wallet. Okay, so you can withdraw your 20,000 USDT anytime. You can withdraw your 12,000 USDT anytime that you feel comfortable with it. So the next thing for you to do after you have deposited smart chain and Binance smart chain USDT BEP20. Next thing for you to do is that you click on the DApp section of your Trust Wallet. You click on DApp here, click on DApps, and in the description box of this video, I'm going to put the link for you to enter, to paste in the website URL here. And if you are watching this video with your mobile phone, you copying a link from the description box, the YouTube app can be somehow difficult. So for that reason, join our Telegram channel. I'm going to drop the link there also. Just copy it and paste it here. Paste it here in the website URL section here. Just paste it here and click on enter. So when you click on enter, it will bring you down to this site called bscu5.com. bscu5.com. So it is this site that we are linked up to, that is linked up to our Trust Wallet, whereby it mine USDT for you on daily basis, on hourly basis, and you can withdraw your profit anytime. So your profit is with BSCU, your profit is with this site, but your capital is in your Trust Wallet. So nobody can take away your money, nobody can take away your USDT, because you are in full control of it, but your profit is here alone. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Your profit is with bscu5.com, while your capital is with is in your Trust Wallet. So what you just need to do is that you need to become the next thing for you to do is that you need to change the logo here by the top right corner. You need to change the logo from Binance. From by default yours will be in Ethereum, or just need to change it to Smart Chain. Change it to Smart Chain here. So you can see the logo is now Smart Chain, and right now you can see you are going to click on receive. Mine, I have already started. I'm already mining, so it will soon change to mining now. But for you, you'll be having receive and invite. Just click on receive, and when you have clicked on receive, it will bring a message, and it's going to tell you to approve. So when you click on the approve, a particular amount from your smart chain will be deducted. That is used for the transaction fee. So which means that your USDT has been linked up with this site. So you'll be making 2% of whatever you have deposited in your USDT BEP20. So it is as easy. Oh, the network is very bad. It's as simple as ABC. As simple as ABC. So let's click. After you have done that, let's wait for it to load. So mining. Okay, as you can see right now, it has turned to mining because I have already started mining this. So let me put this one here. So in total, I have made a total of 34.8 USDT, 34.8 USDT, and right now I am having 9.22 in my wallet, 9.22 USDT in my wallet. So this is my record. This is my record. Even some minutes ago, few minutes ago, I withdrew 1.24. So this is how I've been making mining USDT on daily basis. So let me even try to withdraw this 0.1 to show you that you can withdraw as little as 0.1. But okay, I won't withdraw this because it will still charge me the same amount if I'm withdrawing bigger amounts, bigger USDT. So let me just keep my smart chain for a bigger amount to be withdrawn. Okay, so but you can see this is how I've been withdrawing 1.5, 1.24, 1.5, 0.63, 0.9. And the amazing thing is that you can withdraw it to an external wallet. So as I said earlier, your profit is here. Your profit is here in this site bscu5.com, while your capital is in Trust Wallet. So you have access to your Trust Wallet, you have access to your money in your Trust Wallet anytime. But here you need to come down here and withdraw it. Okay, so that is how to go about it. So thanks so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to end for today. If you have any question on how to get started, or you are not clear about a particular thing, just message me through the comment box of this video, or chat me up on WhatsApp or through our Telegram channel, and through my email address. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. Thanks so much once again. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and share with your friends and family. Meet me in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. Bye for now. I love you all.